Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this review video. Today I thought I would review this. Now I've had this for a while, but why I'm doing a review on this is such a great tool, and I literally think everybody should have one because they are so much better than all the other products out there. So this is a small Teflon bone folder. This is available from Simon Says Stamp. It's quite a pricey item. It's $26 US, and probably most of you are like, wow, that is crazy. But something like this is a Martha Stewart one, would be about $10, $12, I would think. And what a difference in these two bone folders. Basically, this bone folder does not leave any marks on your paper. I'm going to bring in some paper to score as well as my scoring board. And I'm just going to make an A2 sized card here and score it right down the middle. And that is, any bone folder can do that. But what makes this bone folder so good is the crease that this makes is excellent. This end here is, like, I hope you can see the shape there. It is quite different. If I look at this one here, this is just like basically a scoring tip that's on here, but this edge here is angled to help give you a nice edge, and that is such a crisp card. But the beauty of this bone folder, I think, really is that it leaves no marks. If I were to use this bone folder and I would basically rub on the paper, I'm hoping the light will pick up this. I hope you can see that shine there. You see that shine right here, and then there's nothing here. That's where I basically used the bone folder, and I'll just show you this again. So I haven't done it up here, I've done it down here, and you can see on the bottom that shine that's on there. Now if I use this one here, I'll just use it on the top that I haven't used, and I'm basically doing the same thing. And as you can see, there is absolutely no shine on the top. This shine was from the pink one here, and I basically did the same rubbing motion on here. There is no shine. So when you go to make your card bases, when you put something down and you basically want to burnish it and make sure that it's on there really good, this tool will not leave any marks. And this is a great tool also because I like how it feels in my hand. It doesn't feel hard or bulky. I kind of don't like how this one feels. This one here is a Martha Stewart one. I have this one here so that I can really make deep creases if I'm doing a lot of scoring with my scoring board, but I would never do anything else with this tool. And I probably would not even use the other scoring tools that are basically sitting in a corner somewhere in my craft room. Basically, these are the only two I use. Again, this one I'll do multiple scoring with, but this one, this is the one I craft with and I finish all my projects with. And again, no shine, no marks, and look at that beautiful scored edge. That's just perfect. I really believe that it's the Teflon part of it that makes it that it doesn't leave the marks on the paper, and I think that really just helps it to basically slip off of the paper. Even though you're pushing really, really hard, it still doesn't leave any marks, and I think it's because of a coating that is on the bone folder. Regardless, I think this is definitely worth the money and worth the investment. I will never use another bone folder as long as I live. I can pretty much promise that because I've been very happy with this. And just one more time here, I'm just going to make another card base here, and I'll just crease this one quickly to show you again how. And again, you can see this is quite floppy. We bring in this bone folder, and I've just gone over it that one time and it's already very, very flat. And just for your information, this is a 110-pound cardstock, and look at what ease that this bone folder got that crease. It's an excellent bone folder, even with such heavy cardstock. Again, it is great. It leaves no marks, and it is definitely comfortable in the hand compared to a lot of the other bone folders. So thank you for joining me for this review. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.